Hey everyone! One of the most exciting things about computer science is that a computer program can be interactive. Anytime someone clicks, taps, or types on a computer or phone, that generates an event. And there's some code that decides what to do when an event occurs. For example, you could have an event handler that says, when the mouse is clicked, play a sound. Let's try an activity to see how it works. Have you ever heard of the game Flappy Bird? By using event handlers, you can learn how to program your very own custom version of Flappy Bird. The code you'll write involves dragging and dropping blocks that represent commands for the computer. Drag and drop programming is the easiest way to learn. It's even how university students start learning to code. But under the hood, each of these blocks is represented by real code. If you take a look at the workspace, there are some green blocks that are filled in for you. These are event handlers. If you want the bird to flap when you click the mouse, you can do that by attaching the flap block to the appropriate event handler. And now in your game, whenever you click the mouse, the bird will flap. In each puzzle in this activity, we'll introduce new types of events as green blocks on the workspace, and you can decide the appropriate block to add in response to those events. When you see a drop-down arrow like this, that means you can change the settings, like what sound to play when Flappy hits the ground. In the final puzzle, you'll be able to create your own game and share it with your friends. Have fun!
Attach the flap a normal amount block to the when click event, then press run. Click or tap on the play space to move Flappy to the target. The when run event allows you to run code as soon as your game starts. Try adding a block that sets the level speed when the run button is pressed. Play the game and flap to the target to continue. Now we've added the ground. Attach the end game block to the when hit the ground event. Play the game and crash the bird into the ground to continue. Flappy will fly right through obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle event so that the game ends when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. We've added a scoreboard to count points when Flappy passes obstacles. Add a block to the when pass an obstacle event that scores a point, then press run to fly Flappy through the first set of pipes. Click the down arrow inside of the flap a normal amount block to pick a different flapping power. See if you can still score a point after making Flappy flap, either a smaller or larger amount each time you click. Next, try changing the scene by attaching a block to the When Run event. You can set the background under any event, not just when the game starts. Try setting a random scene when other events happen. For example, when passing an obstacle. To mix things up, instead of ending the game when Flappy hits an obstacle, try setting the score back to 0. Create your own Flappy game. You can change the visuals and the rules. Even the gravity. When you're done, click Finish to share with friends on their phones.